Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Duolingo application. Now, firstly, to log into the Duolingo application, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Play Store application. After you open up the Play Store application, you'll be on the home page of Play Store. Now, on this page, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see this search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar on the top of your screen, you'll have to click on this search option and then type in Duolingo and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the Duolingo application will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Duolingo application, if you don't have the Duolingo application installed into your device, an install button will appear on your screen. If you have it installed, this open button will appear. Now, if you see the open button, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the open button, you will be redirected to the Duolingo application. Now, on this page, if you have an account already, simply click on I already have an account, and if you want to sign up, go ahead and click on the get started button. Now to log into your Duolingo application, click on this I already have an account option. After you click on the I already have an account button, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, you either have to log in through your username or email, type in your password and click on this sign in button, or you can log in through Facebook or Google by clicking on one of those options on the bottom of your screen. Now, if you have your Facebook account connected to Duolingo, simply click on Facebook, and if you have Google, click on Google like this. After you click on the Google option, a list of your Gmail accounts will appear on your screen. Now choose the account you want to sign into Duolingo from. As you can see, once you click on your Gmail account to sign into Duolingo, a welcome message will be sent to you. Now click on this Let's Go option. Now, if you want to choose between take a different course or keep learning the last language you were learning, simply click on that and then click on Continue. After you do that, a list of surveys will appear on your screen, and if you answer all these questions like this, keep pressing the questions you want to answer like this, keep clicking on continue like this, and once you do that, you will be signed into your Duolingo and you will be able to learn all these languages. I hope this video helped you to sign into or log into Duolingo. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.